You will hear a discussion between a professor and two students about renewable energy. First, you will have some time to look at questions 21 to 30. Now listen carefully and answer questions 21 to 30.
Today we're discussing renewable energy sources and their role in sustainability. Renewable energy is energy collected from natural sources that are replenished on a human timescale, such as sunlight, wind, rain, tides, waves, and geothermal heat.
Professor, which renewable energy source is considered the most efficient?
That's a great question. Efficiency varies depending on location and technology, but solar energy has become one of the most widely used due to advancements in photovoltaic technology. However, in areas with strong winds, wind power can be more efficient.
But isn't wind energy unreliable?
Yes, wind energy can be intermittent since it depends on wind speed. That's why it is often combined with other energy sources in the grid to ensure a stable supply.
What about hydroelectric power? I've heard it's one of the oldest forms of renewable energy.
Absolutely. Hydroelectric power is highly efficient because it converts the kinetic energy of flowing water into electricity using turbines. However, constructing large dams can disrupt local ecosystems and displace communities.
Are there any recent advancements in renewable energy?
Yes, recent developments include improved battery storage technology, which helps solve the problem of intermittency in solar and wind power. Bioenergy is also being explored as a way to convert organic material into fuel.
That's fascinating. What do you think is the biggest challenge in transitioning to renewable energy?
The biggest challenges include the initial cost of infrastructure, energy storage limitations, and the need for government policies that support renewable projects. However, as technology advances, these barriers are gradually being overcome.
It seems like a promising future, but is renewable energy truly enough to replace fossil fuels?
That's still up for debate. While renewable energy is growing rapidly, fossil fuels still dominate global energy production. The transition will take time, but the shift is happening.
That is the end of section 3. You now have half a minute to check your answers.